Hello, my name's Mandy. In today's foodie education activity, we're going to be looking at apples. You can have a green apple, a red apple, a pink apple, an almost orangey red apple. There's so many different types of apples, but they are in season during autumn. You can pick them off an apple tree. We're going to be making apple donuts. Yum! But before I bring you down to the station, have you washed your hands? Tick. All right, let's have a look at what ingredients and utensils we need to make apple donuts together today. All right, here we are. We've got so many ingredients today. Of course, we've got some lovely apples. I've chosen a beautiful green one today, but you could have a different color. We've got ricotta cheese. We've got sultanas, which are dehydrated grapes. We've got buckwheat groats, which come from a buckwheat plant. They're like little seeds. We've got shredded coconut, which is dehydrated coconut pulp. We've got some honey, beautiful honey, and we've got some cinnamon. We've also got a plate, a bowl, a spoon, and a knife. That's what each child is going to need. But the teachers will have the apples, and they might even have a decorer. You can see here all the spikes. This is quite sharp, so we need to make sure that the teachers help us with this one. So, what we need to do is we need to get a little piece of apple. Your teacher might have cut up an apple into 3 parts already. You can see with a round circle, if we cut it along its axis, its horizontal axis, that when we open up, we can see that an apple has a star inside. Isn't that beautiful? And that is the core of the apple. So I want to show you, you might be able to do this with a helpful teacher. But we get this round circle around the star and we push down. And then our teacher can help push that bit out. That's all the seeds, you see? Gorgeous. And that makes our donut. If you didn't want to use the corer, you might be able to use the knife, the tip of it. And we hold our apple with the tiger claw, and we're going to go around the star, pushing it down. This is definitely for older children. Maybe if you're 4. And then you can push it through. Your choice. I'm going to start with this little apple. But I need to make the topping first. So I'm going to get a spoonful of ricotta and put it in my own little bowl. I'm going to get a squeeze of honey. Whoop. And I'm going to do a shake of cinnamon. Just a wee shake. We always eat cinnamon when it's wet, not dry. And we mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir, stir. And then we're going to, so I've mixed all the honey and cinnamon into my ricotta cheese. Stir, stir, stir. Scoop, scoop, scoop. And pop it onto our beautiful apple. So I've put it on there with my spoon, but you might also need your knife. Remember, we hold our knife in the Y of our hand between our index finger and our thumb, like this. And we're going to spread our beautiful ricotta topping. Let's move this out of the way. Around our donut. Oh, it looks so beautiful. How gorgeous. And then your teacher might come around, or you might scoop yourself. So you might get a little bit of coconut, a few sultanas, and a few buckwheat groats on the side of your plate. And we're going to use them to decorate. I'm going to put them around my little donut. How cute is that? Beautiful pattern. Sprinkle a few coconut shreds on there and some buckwheat groats as well. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? What a beautiful apple donut. Yum. Oh, are you ready? Our gorgeous apple donut. It's a bit squishy on the top. I do know apples are a bit crunchy, but let's see what it sounds like when I bite it. Oh, it is crunchy. The ricotta's lovely and creamy. And I can taste a wee hint of cinnamon there. Delicious. I hope you enjoy making your beautiful apple donuts today and cooking with your friends and teachers or parents with you too. I'll see you next time. Bye.